Hi everyone, it's Lisa here from the Paper Sweeties design team, and I have some exciting things to show you today and some information to share with you. Paper Sweeties is re-releasing their sweet kits, and I wanted to do an unboxing video for you. These sweet kits are available right now on the website for pre-order. They are on sale for $50. That is the club subscription price. It is $55 for non-club members, so you won't have to subscribe to the kit, but you will be able to purchase the October kit. And there is $60 worth of retail products in each box, so it's a great deal. The kit that I'm going to show you today is releasing on October 1st. It is the Fall Winter 2019 Sweet Kit. There are a limited amount of kits available each month, so you do want to get over there and get your box if you're interested. These kits are going to be released 4 times per year: January, April, July, and October. And like I said, they can be pre-ordered. So let me go ahead and show you what is in the October kit. I think you're really going to love the products in here. To start off with, there are 2 stamp sets with matching dies that are coming in this kit. One is called Sweater Weather, and the other is called Hot Chocolate Season. The Sweater Weather is adorable. It's got this tiny little sweater in it, a coffee cup that says Fall, Sweet Fall, some cute little images, Sweater Weather sentiment, and the matching dies for that set. Cute little sweater. It's so tiny. And then you've got the Hot Chocolate Season stamp set. Not sure if you can see these images, but there's a beautiful vintage frame in this kit. It's got a little hat and some mittens and some cute little sentiments: Hot Chocolate Season, Let's Snuggle, and Sending Warm Fuzzies. And again, the dies to match that stamp set. So those are both included in the kit. I'm going to just go through randomly everything else in the kit. There is this great embossing folder by Doris, and it has this incredible tree image that embosses wonderfully. And I can just trying to think of some cards to go on this. I wanted to get an unboxing done before I started creating. There is an ornament template in this kit by Kiwi Lane, and it's a thick piece of acetate, so it can be traced and cut out. Lots of different things you can do with this ornament. I'm thinking you could personalize it, hang it from the tree, put a little sentiment on there if you were to cut it out on paper and stamp on it. There is pattern paper that comes with the kit. It's actually 4 different patterns, although it's 2 pieces because they're double-sided. Some pretty snowflakes, foiled glittery snowflakes on this one. Some great polka dots and more snowflakes. There is cardstock that comes with this kit. My favorite is this blue glitter cardstock. I can just see some really fun snowflakes from this paper. There is a variety of other very good quality cardstock in here that go with the color theme of this kit. This white one is kind of has a linen texture to it. It's just beautiful. There are 2 fall leaves in this kit made out of foam. One is made out of glitter foam, the other is made out of plain brown foam, and I'm sure you could trace around these on a piece of paper. They're pretty simple shapes so that you could cut them out again in different pattern paper or different colors. There is this really fun pom-pom trim with these little orange pom-poms, and I'm thinking they could look like little pumpkins hanging from a tree or be at the bottom of a card or a scrapbook layout to look like a pumpkin patch. You've got these 3D foam snowflakes in the kit by Scrapbook Adhesives, and they're double-sided sticky, so you could glitter them up if you wanted to. There is 2 vials of glitter in this kit, one in white and one in orange. I'm thinking these snowflakes would look really pretty in this white glitter. So there is also an ink pad in this kit in an orange color by Colorbox. It's called Carrot, so that's going to go real well with this kit in that color. There is 2 packages of sequins in this kit. One is a bluish white mix with snowflakes, really pretty. The other is an orangish yellowish mix, so nice for those fall themed cards. There is 2 pieces of trim in this kit, the Paper Sweeties seam binding and some orange and white twine. These would look very good if you tied this around the seam binding. And then possibly my favorite thing in the kit is this Doris Sparkle Glitter Glue. I just love the sparkle in this. This is going to be on a lot of my cards. So that is what comes in the kit. As you can see, it is just chock full of creativity and fun embellishments, and my mind is already going to the cards I want to make and the tags. So I encourage you, if you're interested in this kit, get over to the shop and order yours now before they run out. And don't worry if you missed the kit this October, it will be releasing again in January with some more fun items. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you get your hands on your own kit and make some projects and tag us on social media so we can see what you're making. All right, guys, see you on the blog. Bye.